नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हमारे पास बेंसन जी है और जगदीश जी है। ये लोग बेसिकली कोयम्बतूर बेस्ड बिलिंग सॉफ्टवेयर सेल करती है। अपना रीसेलर प्लेटफॉर्म यानी अनलिमिटेड लाइसेंस, अनलिमिटेड पैनल लेने के लिए आया हुआ है। कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस बाय योरसेल्फ?
Hi, I am Beson from Zoyo. We know sir only in videos, but directly we came here for a business, and we have done that business. And in future we will be promoting software also together with the hardware cost. And my colleague.
Yes.
Hi, I am Jagdish from Hyderabad. My company name is Jyoti Distribution, and we are visiting his office here. It is a fantastic setup. He has got all the infrastructure, and the main thing is his software has got 150 features, which nobody is having, nobody is offering. So we are happy to tie up with him for marketing software. So we will see. We are expecting good sales.
Yeah. And how many years you are in?
Sir, I am there since 2000.
Yeah.
It is almost 24 years.
Yeah.
So I just completed 25 years in the February.
Yeah.
So this is a very good software. Like I have never seen.
You are working in basically in hardware industry.
Yes, I am into hardware industry.
Printer and
Yes, hardware, like all the POS software, POS hardware,
And all.
especially thermal printers,
barcode printers, etc.
all that. So let us see this. This is one kind of product which we can add up to our feather.
Exactly.
And see.
And from our side, I will give you all the support.
Yeah,
From our office, they will give all the support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming from Hyderabad and from Coimbatore. Yes, yes. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you.